Hi everyone, Raja here. So this is about the trade that we took in AUD pair in daily time frame. So recently, our team decided to trade above 4 hour time frame. So what we cumulatively decided is like since in lower time frame in forex it is getting a lot of whipsaws, and since as per our strategy, I'm not telling it anyway in general manner. According to our strategy, we are very much convenient or more aligned with higher time frame rather than a lower time frame. If we are using our lower time frame in less than 4 hour, like 1 hour or 15 minutes, we are getting stopped out more frequently. And then once we are getting stopped out, we are getting a little bit panic or a little bit skeptical about our strategy, and then price is moving in our favor. But if you're following higher time frame entries, the event of getting stopped out is very much lesser when compared to lower time frame. So that's why we just decided that okay, it's better to stick on with 4 hour and above entries in all the forex pairs. And one more thing is uh, there are plus and minus. The plus is you will not get trapped inside the whipsaws of markets being chopped out, or during high impact news events or unexpected news events. If you are trading in lower time frame, there are more chances that you will be getting stopped out easily. But in the case of higher time frame, at least you will be having some kind of buffer or the breathing space from your SL to the current market price during the high impact news events or news releases. So, yeah, so that's why we plan to trade in a daily time frame, and the trade was very simple. So if you're seeing here, so the price action was very neat and clean when you're seeing this in a weekly time frame. So the thing is, price was recently formed this weekly FEG, and it has respected this, and it has engulfed with the recent weekly bearish OB. So after this weekly bearish OB has formed, it confirms that okay, price is currently in bearish trend. Okay, now if you're going to daily, it was a nice trade actually. What we planned was like, mm, so this is our A plus bearish OB according to our strategy. In my previous videos or in my all those trade background videos, you could have seen me explaining about our flagship model. It is like once price taps into this weekly, I mean any FEG, any high time frame FEG, and when it engulfs the next candle, this becomes our OB, right? So this is our A plus OB. So this is our A plus OB, and yeah, since we plan to take entry in a daily time frame, we just place a limit order here. SL is this swing high, this swing high. Forget about these candles, this swing high, and we targeted this swing lows and till this daily bullish heavy. Yeah, so it was around 1 is to 1.8, and if you're just adjusting according to 1 is to 2, then it would have been an easy 1 is to 2 trade. So yeah, so but what happened is like the price just reversed out of nowhere, because this reversal, to my conscience, it is like nothing but a manipulation move. I'm telling this in daily. So if this price move happened after taking out this swing low or at least this swing low, then we can accept to some extent that okay, this is a valid retracement, but this is nothing but minor retracement. And yeah, the overall draw is still downwards. So yeah, this was our SL hit trade. And one more thing is we just as soon as this SL got triggered, uh, we actually plan to take a direct for weekly entry. So in weekly, you're seeing this, yeah. So this is our weekly entry. We took it here, and we kept our SL here. So the current ongoing trade is the first trade which we took in daily time frame got SL hit, and the second one is this one, the current ongoing one. So we just directly took the trade in a weekly time frame, and we are expecting the price to reach these swing lows and finally this weekly peak. So because as per the order flow, you can see price is neatly respecting every bearish period, and it is forming new bearish periods as well. So hopefully this weekly OB should resist price from going higher, and also it should push price to further go downwards. Yeah. And one more thing is like since we have moved to higher time frame, the one main issue will be the swap charges. So to eliminate that issue, we have purchased one 25K account, and it was done in a funded next actually. So in funded next, we just took a swap free option in the funded next account, so that we may not be charged for swap charges for holding the positions overnight or on weekends. So this is the real pay that we took in funded next account. This is 75 K, and this is the trade which we lost in the daily time frame. So we risked around 0.8%. So 0.8% of 25K is $200, plus $5 to $10 is allowed through commission and for minus pages. So yeah, guys. So that's all for this trade. And once this weekly time frame trade got ended, I will let you know about its final status. Yeah, thank you.